Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn back on light mode or how to turn off dark mode in Realme 14 Pro phone. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for display and brightness menu. And at the top we have our two modes. So we have dark mode enabled now. We can switch to light mode by simply tapping it once. Alternatively, there is a faster method. We can swipe simply from the top edge down again, and here we are looking for the dark mode. Here it is. The shortcut is here. It's not always here. It can be hidden from here. So we can disable dark mode using this shortcut here, there if it's available. And that's all. Goodbye.